Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Divine Dance All-Star Apparel. And first off, let me say thank you to all those who have viewed the videos that I have up, as well as have subscribed to my YouTube channel. I did not notice how many subscribers I had gained over the past few months. And also let me apologize for taking so much time to post a new video, but I am back. So before we get into our next tutorial, make sure that if you have not already, subscribe. Make sure that you like, comment, share your ideas, questions, and comments, and I'll try my best to respond in a timely manner. Alright, so today we're going to be working on a leg warmer. This is something that I learned over a year ago. So I wanted to share this with you guys because as a designer myself, I've had quite a few requests for the leg warmers. So the first thing you're going to need are some leggings. I typically use leggings. Now you can also purchase leg warmers off of Amazon, and you can do what I'm about to do the same exact way, but I use leggings because they have a more definite fit, and you want to make sure your dancer's pant size before you purchase those leggings. Now I typically purchase my leggings from Forever 21. They're only $3.90. That's a great buy, and they do come in different colors, but today we're going to do black. The size I have are a small. So I have the black leggings. I also have my stretch sequin, which is in the 7/8 in the color of silver. I also have my 6-inch fringe in a hot pink, as well as a purple kind of plum color in 6-inch. So I'm gonna double layer those. I have my lint brush. I also have my scissors. You want to make sure you have a good pair of scissors. I got these from Joann's. They're called Fiskars. And then I have my Gorilla Glue sticks and a yardstick, or you can use the tape measure, whichever one you have available, or a basic ruler. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my leggings and lay them out across my table. Alright, and then making sure that the ends are at the number, well, not necessarily the ends. You want to make sure that you line up your ends to 10 inches, because that's basically right around the calf area. From the ankle to the calf is approximately 10 inches. I know it varies from dancer to dancer, but for myself it's about 10 inches for me. So you could do 10 to 12 inches depending on how tall you want them to go. Then you want to also make sure you measure your fringe, because you don't want it to surpass 10 inches. You kind of want it in between 8 to 10 inches. So once you have those measured, what you can do is go ahead and glue those on top of each other. So whichever one you want to come first, you can have purple on top, you can have pink on top, whichever one that you want to have. And so after you have cut them to size, like I just said, you want to glue them into place. Now what I do with my leg warmer, I stuff it with a I stuff it with a rolled up t-shirt in the size of how thick a calf could be. And the reason why I do the leggings is because they have the stretch in them versus just using a certain type of fabric, unless you get that stretchable fabric. And it also gives you a definite shape. When I've tried to use the actual fabric, it doesn't give me a definite shape, and it gives me like a straight box shape instead of the shape of a leg. So what you want to do now is hot glue the seam of the legging. I know my glue gun looks crazy. And then you want to apply your first layer of fringe. And I'm sorry, I recorded this video before I did the voiceover, so instead of gluing them on top of each other, you want to do it layer by layer. You do have the choice of gluing them together first and then laying it on top of the let's see, I don't even know what I did in my own video. Okay, so you want to go ahead and lay the fringe and make sure that it's laid out smoothly. And then the next thing you want to do is lay the sequin straight across from end to end of the legging. And then you want to take the top part of the legging and put sequin around it, making sure that the sequin that's going straight across is connected, so you won't have space in between or any fraying. Don't forget to fold the ends before you glue them down, and you do the same thing for the bottom. And there you have it, a simple, basic legging. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment, share ideas, as well as if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you so much.